KALAMAZOO K12-14W 14-inch manual wet shop saw. Comes standard with 24-volt on-off switch. It's push-pull kill switch. Magnetic contactors and overloads encased in a watertight box. Independent pump and tank with 2-inch drain. Coolant shield. Left and right through holes, so if you have extra long stock you can remove them. Powerful 5/4 motor available, single phase and or 3-phase. Easy to open wheel guard. Adjustable coolant hoses lines. Coolant control ball valve, open and close, and dual cam lock vices.